Now we will make lemon juice. First of all, we will add 1 glass water. Then we will add lemon crush. Then we will add sugar, 1 spoon. At the end we will add some दूध लंगा,
chia seed.
chia seed.
फ्रॉक का एक लग रहा है.
Then at the end we will add some spices. Now we will shake with spoon. At the end we will add some ice cubes.
Very good. Assalamualaikum. Today we are making lemon juice. So first we will add water. And then we will add some sugar.
Mix it well. Mix it.
Then we will mix. Taste very well. Then we will put this powder. Lemon. And then we will mix it.
खट्टा वाला
बस.
Chia seed.
taste like that.
Now
Now we will add black pepper.
black salt.
Black salt.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are making lemon drink. So let's start. Then we will add lemon.
What is this?
half spoon time. Then we will add basil seed,
Chia seed. It's not a basil seeds.
chia seed. Then we will add black pepper.
ये तो फ्रॉक है.
And mix. Then we will add ice.